Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well wherever you are. In today's video, I am excited to share with you the harvest of tomatoes that we have here in our backyard garden. All these tomatoes I've grown from seeds and we have many varieties. And I hope you enjoy this video. And if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe so that you will be updated on a new video. Thank you so much for your support and I greatly appreciate it. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Thanks! This is my zebra tomato. It was given to me by my friend and this is the first time as well that I'm growing this and I really like it. You know how you can tell that it is ripe? When you just squish it a bit and it's soft, and that means it's ripe. Look at that. Oh, I accidentally took the one that it's not ready, but anyways I just have to take it as well. And then there's one more right here. They got pinched by the ends. Oh, there you go, I got it. There. Oh no, it's too ripe already. Look how beautiful they are. Nice. Then we'll get some cherry tomatoes right here. So this is my indeterminate tomato. It's a sweet million tomato. Look at that. There's more right here. And there's one more right there. And here I have the San Marzano tomato. And here we have an heirloom tomato. The seeds were given to me by my friend and look at how big it is. There's another one right there. Let's take the other one as well. Oops. Wow, look at that. That's huge. So there's two of them right here on my hand. They're really big. So let's add it on the basket. So this is an early girl tomato. It's very ripe. There's one more right here that we need to harvest. Okay, there's one right here. Okay, there's another one right here. There you go. So we get lots of tomatoes. Oops, there's another one right here. So this is the harvest that we have for today. So it's 8:30 in the evening. We just finished harvesting the tomatoes. So in here we have a lot of varieties of tomatoes. So this one right here, we have the sweet million tomatoes. I have plenty of them. And this is the Cherokee purple tomato. The seeds were given to me by my friend. It's an heirloom tomato and I really like it. Look at how huge it is. And here is another tomato that I have. This is called a green zebra tomato. My friend has given me the seeds as well last year, and I saved it, and I'm so glad that I am successful growing it. So in this basket right here, I have the combination of a early girl tomato, which is this one. Oh, this one right here. So this is an early girl tomato, and this is a beefsteak tomato. So look how beautiful and ripe they are. And over here we have the San Marzano, I think this is. So the seeds were given to me as well last year. So what I do when a friend gave me a tomato, I always save the seeds and try to grow it for the next season. And I'm really glad that I'm very successful growing it, because look, I have so many varieties right now, and a couple of cucumber right there. I hope I encourage you to grow your own food, especially the tomatoes. Look how beautiful they are. And if you don't have a garden, you can grow your tomato in a pot. I grew some of my tomato in a pot as well, and just leave it on the side of the house where there is at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, and they really like it, and they grow really nicely in there as long as you water it every day if you are planting in the pot. And if your tomato is planted in the garden, I usually water it 3 times a day. Oh, sorry, every 3 days actually. And they're doing okay. So look, all of them right here. This is a great harvest of tomato this season, and I'm glad that I tried all this variety of tomato, and I can't wait to make some salad, and some of them maybe I'll give away to my friend as well. So I'm going to save some Cherokee seeds and the green zebra tomato, because I really like the look of it. I'm going to taste it inside the house. It's getting darker in here. I just came out from work and come to the garden right away and harvest all of them, because they are very ripe and ready. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.